all of you. Now we are going to celebrate 120th birthday of Dr. S.R. Ranganathan. I am Dr. A. Thiramagal, Librarian of Manapani Sundaranagar University. It is a great pleasure to say something about Dr. S.R. Ranganathan. He is the father of library information science. So this is the Dr. S.R. Ranganathan photos. Everybody knows it. Each and every public library we are having it. So this is the early life of Dr. S.R. Ranganathan image. Just like that, small boy. Dr. S.R. Ranganathan born on 1892, 9th August, 9:30 a.m. at Shyali, Tanjavur district of Tamil Nadu. He was the first child of his parents. His parents have 3 sons and a daughter. So these are his family members, his mother. Then his father was the Ramamrita Iyer, his mother was the Sita Lakshmi. Then this is the school he has done in this school, only Hindu school of Shyali. Then started his career at the Vijayadashami day on October. Dr. S.R. Ranganathan early education at the Shyali. Dr. S.R. Ranganathan picked up the excellent marks in all the subjects. He passed the matriculations in 1908. Then he got married at the age of 15, Rukmani. So with the accident, 13th November 1928, Madam passed. So he got another Madam called Dr. Sarada. He married on 1929. She is the Sarada Maya. Then Ranganathan was library. She is also very devoted in his work with the help of his career only. Ranganathan done so many wonders in life. Dr. S.R. Ranganathan blessed with the Yogeshwar 1932. He is an engineer. In addition to that, Ranganathan was blessed with the two grandsons and a granddaughter. They are living in Luxembourg. So in his career, this is the students' home, Madras Christian College. He took Madras Christian College BA and MA degree in mathematics 1913 to 16. In 1917, he joined Teachers College at Saidapet. This is the Presidency College image. Dr. S.R. Ranganathan appointed as the assistant lecturer of mathematics in the Government College of Mangalore. In 1920 to 21, he taught the Government College of Coimbatore. In 1921 to 23, he appointed as the assistant professor, Department of Mathematics of Presidency College of Madras. Dr. S.R. Ranganathan appointed as the first librarian of Madras University in the year 1924 January. Ranganathan left to England. So at that time he was qualified as the library science. So for that sake only he went to London to get the certificate course in library information science. So and he returned to England. He returned to India 90th July 1925. At that time, 9 months, he visited so many libraries in London. So at that time, he changed his mind. So library can act as a social center. So on that basis, he changed the University of Library, Madras. So in the University of Madras, he worked at 20 years. In the University of Library, he only introduced the open access system. Before that, each and every books are kept in a cabin or in a small box. So he want to attract the more number of readers. So for that sake only he opened the open access system. He introduced that. At that time he has done so many works. He is also very simple and a very energetic person also. So he is having very active members for the 21 years of the voluntary. He took voluntary retirement 1945. He wanted to act active research himself. So at that time he woke up at the morning 4 o'clock. At that time he with his research scholars visited what are the building constructed at the previous days. So Dr. Ranganathan at the time at the Banaras Hindu University. Yes, Radhakrishnan was the Vice Chancellor of the Banaras Hindu University. he invited our Ranganathan. At the time he went there, he single-handed classified and cataloged 1 lakh books. How imagine? 1 lakh books he cataloged and classified. Catalog is not the simple work. We should classify cataloged author, single author, two author. If you are having the book having 3 authors, means we should have the first author, second author and third author and title catalog. If the book is having series, means we should have the series catalog also. So minimum 5 to 6 catalog card we should prepare it. In addition to that, subject catalog also we should have. So it is the very tedious job. He done it over the within 2 years he done it over the 1 lakh books. It is a wonderful job. Then in addition to that, 1945 to 47, he acting as the library science professor in the Banaras Hindu University. Then he shifted his career to 47 to 54 to the Delhi University. Then the last visited as the Vikram University of Ujjain till 59, until 1959. Then added to he is having the basic ideas about the 5 laws. So this one is a very wonderful thing. So books for use. So each and every books for all. So each and every reader is our book. Then every book reads reader. Save the time of the reader. Then library is the growing honor. This is the 5 principles of Dr. S.R. Ranganathan. Then on the basis only he worked hard. Addition to that, he was awarded Padma Shri Award from Dr. Rajendra Prasad in 1957. Then he done so many activities of the national achievements. We can go through it one by one. So this is our duty, and by that only we can honor you. 1928 to 49, he acting as the secretary of Madras Library Association. It is the very old association in India. So Mala, we can say it as well. 1930 to 44, member of the Academic Council of Madras University. So it is a very good thing. Then 1933 to 35, Imperial Library Committees. In 1944 to 53, Dr. S.R. Ranganathan acting as the professional chairman of the presidency of ILA, Indian Library Associations. Then 47 to 67, he is the chairman of the Documentation Center of New Delhi, ISI. Then 1948 to 51, member of the National Committee. Madras President Association, 1958. See, in addition to that, added to that 1958 to 60, he is the chairman of the Library Building, Fitting and Furniture Committee of the ISI, New Delhi. Added to that, 1958 to 59, he is the chairman of the Library Committee in UGC, University Grant Commission. How wonderful. 1950 to 61, he is the member of the Banaras Hindu University Court, Varanasi. 1960, he is the chairman of the Review Committee of the Library Science, UGC, and the Expert Committee of Library Science of the Banaras Hindu University. 1961 to 63, chairman of the committee to draft the library bill for the Mysore state. So 1967, he is the member of the Executive Council and Publication of the Information Directorate, CSIR, New Delhi. Then he is also acting on so many posts in the international level also. 1958, he is the member of the International Committee of Library UN. Then 1949, negotiated at the UNESCO for the establishment of the Delhi Public Library as a field project. 1950, he negotiated with the UNESCO for the establishment of the INSDAC. 1951 to 61, reporter of the FIDCA. 1951 to 53, member of the International Advisory Committee of Bibliography of UNESCO. 1963, honored of the chairman of the FID. So this is the work done by our Dr. S.R. Ranganathan. He is the wonderful person. Then Dr. S.R. Ranganathan wrote more than 60 books and 2000 articles and reports and notes, etc. Then he is the very simple person. When he was the librarian of University of Madras, he only designed the library building. So each and everything is designed by him. At the time, in morning 4 o'clock, he woke up with the research scholar. He visited the building, and if the building is not comfortable for him, means he asked the maestri to demolish it. So at that time, At the time, so many visitors, those who visit the Chennai, they will visit the library as a museum. So this much of work he has done in the morning. Then his final functions end at the 24th September 1972, after his fulfillment of the 80 years of his life. So Dr. S.R. Ranganathan is very simple person. He won't purchase anything for his wife. Even he visited so many countries. Even he won't buy a single chocolate to S.R. to Dr. Sarada also. He often told that God given me as acting as I am an instrument. I am acting as an intermediate. So just like that, we should do so many works to the so we the librarian acting as the intermediate between the professors and the books and the student and the books. So we should do so many works. Even to the society also, we are having so many works we should do. By that only we can done the somewhat fulfillment of the Dr. S.R. Ranganathan. So in the Indian government released the stamp on 30th August 1932 to honor him. So on that mind, we the librarian of Manumaniam Sundarmara University, so with the help of the volunteers of the research scholars and the volunteers of those we are women, so we conducted so many programs on the birthday of Dr. S.R. Ranganathan. We selected only to the government schools. So nearly 4 or 5 schools we will done. For each and every year 4 or 5 schools we selected. We voluntarily go them and give them topic for the essay writing, oratotions and handwriting and the paintings also. So just like that, these are the somewhat images of the pictures. So we gave them prizes to with our own pocket money also only. We won't expect from anything from the schools. So we will give them to the donations or give them to the prizes to those who are participated in we won't select the first prize, second prize, third prize. Those who are participate, we will distribute full prizes to all the students. In addition to that, we are also doing something to the society. So this is the birthday of Dr. S.R. Ranganathan birthday images. So we should also follow the footsteps of Dr. S.R. Ranganathan. By that only, this is our duty to do, duty of the librarian of acting as the intermediate between the professors and the book. We are the book professors and the intellectual. Now we are in the digital world. So we, the librarians, should learn more and more. By that only we can. Otherwise we will be thrown out by the student. So we should, every day we should read and read and read. Thank you very much giving me the great opportunity to say something about Dr. S.R. Ranganathan. So he is a very good, great person. Thank you very much.